Make me comfortable. That's your job. It is. So make me comfortable while I open these scrimps to prepare today's ceviche from the Isles of Mexico. So, yeah, we're gonna make some ceviche today. It's gonna be dope and fresh. And then here we got fresh peeled scrimps. Can I get a pound of the medium deveined shrimp? They got my man's from Little Mermaid in there, flounder. We're gonna slice them in half, long ways. Very easy. Why are we doing this? Because we're marinating them. We're marinating them in lime juice, salt, pepper. But first we have to blanch them. Now, normally you don't blanch seafood when you do ceviche. It's uncalled for, it's fucking blasphemy, but fortunately here in the United States, you white people are fucking scared to eat raw fish. I don't know why. I mean, I've eaten raw fish, I'm still alive. Open the fucking door to that square box you live in, come out, take a deep breath of air, and have some fresh ceviche. That's the problem with cooking. People, they don't like doing new things. It's comfortable for them to just go out and eat or order food, but cooking is fucking easy. And as long as you listen to me, we'll get along just fine. And we'll both succeed together. Now, like I said, we want to blanch these. So I got hot water over here. We're gonna crank it up. Oh shit. We're gonna crank it up. We're gonna shock them in cold water after cooking them for a short time in boiling water. So 30 seconds. And we'll shock them. Flip our cutting board to the clean side, no cross-contamination needed. Then we'll start on the greens and the whites and the reds. For this, it's simple, 5 ingredients. Tomatoes, jalapeno, onion, cilantro, scrimp, and then lime, salt, pepper, but that doesn't count. So probably a quarter of an onion. You know, lay your knife flat. Be fucking careful as much as you can. Gently weeble wobble if you can. Do not go all the way through, do not cut your hand. Stop right there if you need to. Go up 1/8 of an inch more maybe. One more time. Now, we're gonna go down with it. One thing you should also always do is make sure you have a sharp knife, which I didn't do because I'm an asshole. Like I said, small dice, nice. If it's a strong onion, oh well, tears for you. That's perfect, that's how small it should be. Almost like hot dog onions. Next, jalapenos. I like to use 2 because I'm not a pussy and I like flavor. So these, small dice as well. There's a little trick I'm gonna teach you. So cut in half, and then turn, go straight down the middle, turn, try and get every piece. So you want 8 pieces, essentially. The seeds stay in. Oh, the most fucking pain in the ass part, since I decided to get heirloom miniature bullshit fucking tomatoes instead of normal ones. Ooh, these are nice. They just look too pretty not to get. They look so adorable and cute, and I said, let's get those. Let's be fucking creative. Fuck you. You want it heavy tomato. Tomato's your base, scrimp comes second, and then the rest is flavor and fucking color. So, in my opinion anyway. And also the limes are pretty important too. Just make sure you don't get fucking dumbass limes. You need all the juice, and it has to be good, not bitter. If it's bitter, you're fucked. You did something wrong. Yeah, that's like 2 cups, I think. We'll find out in a minute. Nah, it's only 1. Fuck it. And then we got some cilantro. Now this is already pre-washed. You'll see a little short clip of that. It's all sexiness. This you just bunch up and just fucking go to town. Oh yeah. You're not gonna use all of it. You just over chop and then use what you want. That's probably like shy of a fluffed 1/4 cup, probably. Yeah, I put cilantro in my ceviche. Fucking deal with it, Mexico. We're on the limes already. Probably like 2 limes worth. That's great. Use your muscles here. This is perfect for you muscle dummies to show off in front of your women. Ugh. You see how I'm juicing that lime? You like that? Half teaspoon of salt. I use kosher. Now, we got the shrimps. They're cool. They're cold. They're not all the way cooked. Get a close up. It's still slightly raw. So pull your fucking pants up and deal with it. This is how it's supposed to be. This is going to be delicious. You will thank me. I'm just gonna like rough chop them real quick. You don't have to. You can leave them whole. That's cool. But I want everything to be the same size. And I want those raw pieces to be exposed to the lime juice and the salt and everything else. Scrimps in. Get yourself a rubber spatula and give it some flips. Don't fucking macerate it. Don't use a fork or a knife and just jab at it. You want everything to stay whole. Everything to stay crisp. It smells nice. Trust that. It's just a pain. I should eat out a bigger bowl, but oh my God, the color on this is fucking insane. Why am I so great at everything I do? So this will get served up however you want. You can eat this fresh, or you let it fucking chill for like an hour and let that lime juice sit in there. Oh my God, already. It's so good. That's so beautiful too, and that's so fucking easy. Like, you can literally just go out and make this right now. Or whenever you get done watching this bullshit. Whenever Scott gets done editing it. Tortillas. Corn tortillas. How you doing? Can I get a pack of the corn tortillas, please?
1.7.
Ooh, that's a bargain. Oh, these are dog shit. These are bad. There's good tortillas and there's shit tortillas. Good tortillas are nice, semi-thick. When you pick them up and they bend, they don't crack in half. They're floppy, like a wiener. The heat's low, so you can like double fry. So I like to go halfway, flip it, fry again, flip it. So it's twice on each side essentially, but you gotta just pay attention to it. Welcome back to Crunchy Chewy time. We got these tortillas here, and here's the ceviche we made 4 hours ago. It's been chilling in the fridge. You just wanna cut these into quarters. Why? Because they're not cooked all the way, see? That's texture. It's also the way I like it. So now, just fucking jam them in there like that. And have your friends come over and eat ceviche all day. There it is. It's nice, fresh, beautiful, easy.